Hey, GLP-1s started being covered for those on Medicare on July 1st. It's not as easy as you think. Reach out to me so I can help you. Call me at the number above.